You want to make your ESL lesson more engaging? Struggling with how to use Kahoot effectively in your classroom? Stay with me because today I'm giving you everything you need for free. A complete lesson plan, slides, worksheets, and a Kahoot quiz with audio. And if you stay till the end, I have something special that will take your teaching to the next level. Hi teachers, I'm Mike from Mike's Home ESL, and today I'm showing you exactly how to integrate Kahoot into your classroom the right way. We are going to blend traditional teaching with engaging tech tools step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a full lesson ready to use. Step 1. The warm-up. Every great lesson starts with a warm-up to introduce the topic. I recommend my action song, How's the Weather? The link is in the description. Use total physical response to get students moving while they learn new words. Step 2. Teaching the vocabulary. Next, we introduce the key vocabulary. I've included a free PowerPoint with simple visuals and interactive slides where students guess the weather words. Instead of just telling them, make it fun and have them point outside, act it out.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy.
Step 3, the Kahoot quiz. Now it's time to bring in Kahoot, but not just any Kahoot. I've created a special version with audio and images so even beginners can play without needing to read complex sentences. Students listen and choose the correct weather word.
Rainy.
Let them work in team if needed and keep the energy high. Remember, learning should feel like a game. Step 4. Reinforcing with worksheets. After the Kahoot quiz, students need reinforcement. That's why I've included 2 worksheets. One for in-class practice and one for flipped learning. The homework. The first worksheet helps students match weather words to pictures, while the second connects weather with feelings. A perfect lead-in for the next class. Step 5. Flip learning. The homework. To make this even more effective, we are using the flip learning strategy. For homework, students will complete the feelings check-in worksheet where they match weather. This way, when they come back, they already have a connection between weather and emotions, making the next lesson even smoother. Now, if you made it that far, I've got something special just for you. I'm running a huge giveaway where you can win free lifetime access to my full ESL training course and my ebook. But that's not all. 2 runners-up will get my ebook for free, and everyone else 79% off my course for a limited time. We just finished the live, and Stu just threw a massive gift to everyone on Mike's Home ESL because of the 650k subscribers. Just let's see what he's got to say.
If it hasn't been mentioned also, I'm giving away a free course. For those of you here that don't know, I run TESOL courses, and I'm going to give away a free course as well as part of the giveaway.
So in this giveaway, you want me to add
your free course?
Please, yep, absolutely. Yep, why not? Yeah, I will give away
Thank you so much, Stu. So now the first prize is my course, Innovative Approaches in ESL Teaching, for free, and Stuart Allen TEFL Lemon courses, TESOL course. It's a level 4 TESOL course. Believe me, if you can get that certificate, you can work as an ESL teacher everywhere in this world. Yeah, thank you, Stu. You're awesome. Thank you to all of you 650k subscribers. It's incredible. Love you all. Happy teaching. Back to the initial editing. Cheers. Click in the link down below and join the giveaway. Complete the simple actions to earn more entries. Stay tuned and I'll announce the winners soon. And even if you don't win, you can still grab the course for just $90 instead of $89, but only for a limited time. So you're ready to level up your ESL classroom? Click in the link below to join the giveaway and get your exclusive discount. And don't forget to subscribe for more teaching hacks. Let me know in the comments, how do you use Kahoot in your classroom? Happy teaching to all.